Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how and where you can turn on Metronome in Pro Tools. So let's get straight into it. Now, right here in this edit window, you will see at the top here some functions. And if you take a closer look here, you will see around here this small metronome icon. And simply just click on it. And with that, you will activate the metronome, which then means that if it's blue, it's on, it's active. Okay, now the second thing is go here to the settings, setup, and then click and count off. And you will need to see this window right here. So here you can adjust this click. So during play and recent, just record only during cut count off, ascended note, so on, and output you can set up here whatever you prefer. So count off, you can also set 2-bar count off here, so the click gives you a head start before the music begins. And yeah, then here on the right side you have this mix window where you can adjust the volume. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.